Car vacuum cleaners ensure quick, efficient interior cleaning, removing dust, allergens, and debris to maintain hygiene and vehicle comfort daily. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MR.EGO Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The MR.EGO 4-in-1 handheld vacuum is a compact yet highly practical tool designed for precision cleaning rather than large-scale tasks. It performs exceptionally well in tight spaces where traditional vacuums struggle, such as car seat gaps, cup holders, keyboards, and desk corners. With a powerful 92,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor delivering up to 18,500 pascals suction, it easily picks up dust, crumbs, and fine debris without repeated passes. What makes it stand out is its true multifunctionality: vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating, supported by a versatile set of attachments. From crevice nozzles for narrow gaps to brush heads for pet hair and dual-purpose air nozzles, it adapts well to home, car, and outdoor needs. The built-in green LED light is surprisingly useful, revealing hidden dust in dark areas. Type-C fast charging ensures quick turnaround, while the lightweight 1-pound design makes it extremely portable and easy to store. Overall, this is an efficient, travel-friendly cleaning companion ideal for detailed maintenance, not heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Now our second product is AUXITO Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The AUXITO 4-in-1 cordless car vacuum is a compact and versatile cleaning tool designed for everyday precision tasks. It easily switches between vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and air pumping, making it useful not only for car interiors but also for home, office, and travel needs. From cleaning seat gaps, floor mats, and keyboards to inflating swim rings or vacuum sealing storage bags, it offers impressive multifunction convenience. With an upgraded brushless motor delivering up to 14,000 pascals suction power, it effectively removes dust, crumbs, and sand. The dual suction modes, 8,500 pascals and 14,000 pascals, allow users to adjust performance based on cleaning needs. Despite its power, the device remains ultralight at just 1 pound, making it easy to handle and carry anywhere. The 160 ml dust cup is practical for quick cleaning sessions, and Type-C fast charging ensures flexible recharging options via car USB, power banks, or laptops. A 30-minute runtime on low mode adds to its usability. Overall, it's a handy, portable cleaning solution ideal for detailed maintenance and travel use. Our third product is Houscly Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This handheld vacuum stands out as a powerful and compact cleaning solution designed for both car and home use. Equipped with an upgraded 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers up to 20,000 pascals suction power, making it highly effective at removing dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from tight spaces. The brushless design not only improves efficiency but also ensures quieter operation below 70 dB and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. Battery performance is also impressive, featuring a 6,000 mAh capacity that offers up to 30 minutes of use in low mode and around 12 minutes in high mode. With Type-C fast charging, it fully recharges in about 3 to 3.5 hours, making it convenient for daily quick cleanups. A standout feature is its dual-function system with 680 liters per minute airflow, allowing it to work as both a vacuum and air blower, perfect for keyboards, car vents, and inflatables. The 0.4L dust cup and washable HEPA filter enhance usability and maintenance. Lightweight at just 0.7 pounds and packed with accessories, it's a versatile, travel-friendly cleaning tool for everyday precision cleaning tasks. Now number 4, Fanttik Handheld Vacuum for Car. This compact car vacuum is designed specifically for detailed cleaning rather than large area use, making it ideal for car interiors, office desks, and keyboard maintenance. It excels in reaching tight spaces like cup holders, seat gaps, and corners where dust and crumbs easily accumulate. Powered by a 90W brushless motor, it delivers up to 13 kPa suction with 2 adjustable modes, allowing users to balance power and runtime depending on the task. The upgraded 2,600 mAh 3-cell battery provides up to 30 minutes of use on low mode and around 17 minutes on high mode, offering improved endurance compared to earlier models. Weighing just 1.07 pounds, its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to handle and store inside a car. The inclusion of 9 versatile attachments, including a pet brush, hose, and multi-surface nozzle, enhances its ability to handle various cleaning needs efficiently.
A convenient one-button dust disposal system with a safety lock ensures hygienic, mess-free emptying.
Overall, it's a practical, portable cleaning tool for everyday detailed maintenance tasks. And our last choice is Windone Cordless Handheld Car Vacuum. This 2-in-1 cordless car vacuum and tire inflator is a highly practical tool designed for both cleaning and emergency roadside use. With a strong 12,000 pascal suction powered by a 60W brushless motor, it efficiently removes dust, pet hair, and debris from car interiors, leaving seats, carpets, and dashboards clean with minimal effort. Despite its power, the brushless design keeps it lightweight and more energy efficient than traditional motors.
A major advantage is its multifunctionality.
With 13 included attachments, it handles detailed cleaning, inflating air mattresses, sports equipment, and even vacuum sealing tasks. The built-in HEPA filter captures 99.97% of fine particles, making it especially useful for families and allergy-sensitive users. Powered by dual 2,500 mAh batteries, it offers up to 25 minutes of vacuuming and strong inflation performance, including tire filling up to 150 psi.
Smart preset modes and an LED display make operation simple and accurate, while auto shutoff prevents overinflation.
Compact, cordless, and travel-friendly, this device combines convenience, safety, and versatility, making it a reliable companion for both everyday car care and road trips.
So what do you think about this video?
If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video.
Thank you for watching this video.